Hello, folks. Let's look at simple strategy and create a trading plan. Let's discuss gap fills. A gap fill happens when price opens below previous day's low or above previous day's high. It then fills the gap, either fills the gap and continues on, or creates outside bar. That happens as well. Orange bars on my chart indicate the gap fills that went the right way. Orange bars are short gap fills, and violet bars are long gap fills. Here's the violet bar, another one. So let's see what happened today in Futu. This was actually another gap fill. The price opened below the previous day's low, went up, and then down, presenting a nice profit opportunity. This indicator here is an ATR trailing stop. It is pretty wide, and just letting the position get stopped out on ATR trailing stop like this would give up most or of our profits. So this is more for safety. Another tactic is needed to capture profits. So let's go to Trade Unafraid and see how we can create a trading plan to trade the daily breaks with gap fills and sensible profit taking stop loss and profit taking strategy. So let's start with clear template, just except for the defaults I have preset in user preferences. So this will be long and short. I'll be using dollars, sim, live data source. These are on entry I like to sit on 60%, on exit, on stop, which is stop loss or flatten. This is okay. On target, this is okay. Repeating, I like trading plan to stay in the list after I flatten. So that will do it. I like to trade ITM1. I like to trade Latos as well, Friday Latos. So I'm not checking this box. We are playing daily breaks, which is candle trigger yesterday, validate candle, and we play gap fills as well, and we play high-low touch. with this, I want to control how price. I want to make sure that when the gap is filled, I use candle break to control how far it goes. I mean, I let it go deep, and I enter on the first break of the candle. So here there were two candles, first, second, and on the third I entered because I used 3-minute candle break. This is a 3-minute shot. So instead of this, I will use candle break entry tactic. This is my position size. This is my ATR trail. And this is one of the tactics to capture profits. What it says is that, well, I have been backtesting, and I know that on good days options can go 300. On average, they go 100. 40% is my first partial. So if option goes to 40%, I take off a quarter position, 100%, I take another quarter, 300%, I take another quarter, and then I let it trail at 40% distance. At 40% of position price. This is my remaining quantity. So let's see. Let's look at this January 21 bar. Let's look what happened. This is 24. So here's the January 21st 3-minute shot. So it filled the gap on the fourth bar. I entered, and it went, and then took partials along the way, and I guess it probably stopped out on the ATR trail. So this is the plan. Let's look at the report on that day. Choose date 21 to 22, and wrong day, wrong year. Yeah, position. Now the PNL, huh? It was a good trade. Here, this is the plan that I've shown. So the percent is sizable. Result. That's with partials. So the option probably did go to 300%. So I entered the 937, exited 1030. Let's see. 937, Yeah, wow. And 10:30. 10:30. Yeah, because of backtest it shows earlier times. But yeah, that's what happened.